In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add 3 moving averages in TradingView. Whether you're a newbie to trading or just want to refine your strategies, adding moving averages to your chart can be a game changer. So let's dive in with the basics and get everything set up on TradingView. First, you'll want to start by opening up your chart on TradingView. This is your blank canvas, so to speak, where you'll plot your data and technical indicators like these moving averages. Once you have your chart open, we need to add our first moving average. Look towards the top of the screen, and you'll see the Indicators button. Give that a click, or if you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts, simply press the / key. Each way will get you to the same place. Next, in the search bar that pops up, type in Moving Average. You'll notice a list of options, but for this step, select the built-in Simple Moving Average, often abbreviated as SMA. As soon as you choose it, you'll see that the default moving average appears on your chart. Usually, this will have a length or period set to 9, but we're going to make this fit our specific needs. You'll notice a little gear icon next to the moving average's name that appears on the chart. Click this to open up the Settings panel. Now, under the Inputs tab, you can decide what period you want your moving average to cover. A 10 period is a common choice among traders if you're looking for a suggestion. Then, to help differentiate this first moving average from the others we'll be adding, hop over to the Style tab. Here, you can tweak the color and thickness to your preference, making it stand out and easily distinguishable. Once you're satisfied with these settings, hit OK to cement your changes. Now, let's move on to adding a second moving average. Head back to the Indicators button, as we did earlier. This time, you have a bit of freedom in your choice. You can stick with another simple moving average or explore other types like the exponential moving average, known as EMA. Once selected, go back into the settings to adjust it. Maybe you want this one to be a 50-period moving average and a different color, like green perhaps, so it doesn't get mixed up with the first. Finally, to complete our trio, repeat this process once more for your third moving average. Again, choose your preferred type and adjust its settings. A 200-period weighted or exponential moving average is commonly used, providing longer-term insight. And there you have it, your very own chart, with 3 distinct moving averages ready to help inform your trading decisions on TradingView. By customizing the settings including period length and colors, your chart not only looks more engaging, but functions better for your specific analysis needs. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!